battlefield. The infantrymen graduating today are accomplished marksmen and indirect fire infantrymen able to engage the enemy day and night. They understand how to shoot, move, and communicate as a team. They're adaptable warriors who can fight as a mechanized force from strikers or ravage, from the skies, airborne air assault, and whose training is the basis for our elite special operations warriors. Most importantly, they're patriots, who in a time of war raise their right hand and swore an oath to God and country, to defend the Constitution of the United States against any enemy, is called upon to fight building to building in Baghdad or Fallujah in Iraq, to clear the ridges of Mazar-i-Sharif or Jalalabad in Afghanistan, or to deliver aid and provide security in the Horn of Africa or the Caribbean. These warriors make the difference in the global war on terror. Ladies and gentlemen, the Infantry Rifle Squad and Mortar Section. The soldiers placing the mortars in action are indirect fire infantrymen, commonly known as mortarmen, who receive 2 weeks of mortar-specific training. As the only internal indirect fire support for the rifle company, these mortarmen place the 60mm mortar system into action to provide indirect fire support to infantry squads, platoons, and companies, destroying the enemy, suppressing fires, and screening the rifle units, and enabling their fire and maneuver. The M224A1 60mm mortar system is a muzzle-loaded, smooth-bore, high-angle fire weapon that can be fired in the conventional or handheld mode to provide timely and accurate indirect fire with devastating results. The 60mm mortar section consists of 6 soldiers. The section is led by a staff sergeant who carries the M32 lightweight handheld mortar ballistic computer and the RT-1523 Echo radio. The section sergeant is assisted by the squad leader, who holds the rank of sergeant and also carries the same ballistic computer radio. The section sergeant and squad leader provide fire direction control for the mortar section. They may operate together or in split sections as 2 separate mortar squads. Each squad has a gunner who carries a 60mm lightweight cannon, M8 base plate, and the M67 sight unit. The mortar's maximum rate of fire is 30 rounds for the first minute and 20 rounds for each additional minute indefinitely. The maximum effective range is 3,490 meters. The 60mm mortar system weighs 38 pounds in conventional mode and 20 pounds in handheld mode. Each squad has an assistant gunner who carries the M170A1 bipod, the M14 aiming stakes, and the M4 carbine is a primary weapon. The M224A1 mortar fires 6 different types of ammunition: training, high explosive, white phosphorus, illumination, infrared illumination, and the mortar anti-personnel, anti-material round. The squad is led by a staff sergeant who is armed with the M4 carbine. The M4 carbine is the latest evolution of the M16 family and is designed for use in vehicles and close quarters combat. The squad has 2 fire teams. Each fire team is led by a sergeant. They are also armed with the M4 carbine. The carbine is fully modular with an integrated receiver rail system that can mount the M68 close combat optic and the AN PEC-15 infrared laser designator used to engage targets at night. Each fire team has 1 automatic rifleman. They are armed with the M249 squad automatic weapon. This is a squad vehicle machine gun. It has a sustained rate of fire of 85 rounds per minute and weighs 17 pounds. Each fire team has 1 grenadier They are armed with the M4 rifle and the M320 grenade launcher. This launcher fires a variety of 40mm grenades to include high explosive, illumination, colored smoke, and buckshot. The M320 provides an invaluable indirect fire capability to the infantry squad. The remaining soldier in each fire team is the rifleman. They are armed with the M4 carbine and the M136 AT-4 anti-tank launcher. The AT-4 fires an 84mm shape charge capable of defeating up to 14 inches of rolled homogeneous steel and breaching bunkers or masonry wall and urban structures. Additionally, each one of these soldiers is wearing the advanced combat helmet with the AN-PVS-14 binocular night vision device. This night vision device allows the soldiers to see in low or no light conditions. Coupled with the laser designator on their weapons, they can place effective fire on all targets at night. On their torso, they are wearing the improved outer tactical vest, or IOTV, which consists of 4 armored plates capable of stopping small fire and fragmentation. Additionally, they are wearing ballistic eye protection, knee and elbow pads, and a water hydration system. Ladies and gentlemen, all members of today's squads are from Delta Company, 1st Battalion, 19th Infantry Regiment, Charlie Company, 1st Battalion, 50th Infantry Regiment, Foxtrot Company, 2nd Battalion, 54th Infantry Regiment, and Echo Company, 2nd Battalion, 58th Infantry Regiment. This is a modern-day warrior, armed and equipped to fight and win anywhere, anytime, in any type of terrain against any enemy. These infantrymen are trained and ready to defend our country and preserve our way of life. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in a round of applause for the United States Army Infantry Squad.